Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today a quick tip in Gmail using labels before you send the email so that when you get a reply back it's already labeled for you. So let's say I have a group of teachers or a teacher that I'm sending an email to, and I know that it's going to be in a certain category when that email is either returned, whether it's a task, whether it's a group, whether it's a project, whatever I'm working on, if it's my PLC team or whatever. You'll get the email composed, you'll get ready to send it all out. Down here right by the trash can you have the three dots that are stacked. When you click on that, this is normally where you would go for templates and different things like that, but when I click on label, I can jump in label and I can assign it a label before I send it. So I'm going to send this and show you what this looks like on the receiving end, and then when it gets sent back to me, how it's already labeled. So when I send this out, we'll just send this to my other account. So you'll see now that I've received this email, there's not a label that's connected with what the sender sent to me. I have my own label that it's important. So I'm going to reply to this email. And then jump back over to the receiving end to see what it looks like when it comes back into my inbox. So now that we're back in my inbox, you can see right here that the email that I sent out is already labeled under teachers. So I don't have to worry about where that's going to go, how it's going to be labeled. I can spend time on the front end when I'm sending the email, which is generally when we have a little bit more time to look through our email because we're editing, we're doing some punctuation and spelling, and maybe checking the tone of the email. I don't have to have that labeled and worry about that when it comes back because it's already labeled, as you can see right here for teachers. Just a quick tip on how to make things a little bit easier and faster in Gmail. Hopefully this video saved you time, energy, and frustration. Go ahead and like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and thank you for what you do for kids on a daily basis. If this video saved you time, energy, and frustration, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with your teacher friends. You can subscribe by clicking up here, or you can watch another video either here or here. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.